Whoa, good morning everyone. I've just woken up and poked my head out the door and check this out. It's just snowed all night. Wow. Everything's frozen, all the water's frozen. I can see all the water that I was collecting water from yesterday. That's all frozen. Damn, it was cold last night. I was alright in my sleeping bag, but with my face out of the little sleeping bag hole, it just felt like, yeah, it was just ice. So this is going to make life a little interesting getting out today, because that snow would have covered any traces of the path. Yeah, that's made it more fun, more of a challenge. Made it more of a challenge. So I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea and a bit of breakfast, and then get out of here. Farewell, little huts. We probably won't meet again, but thank you for protecting me from the snow. Alright, it's probably a good 10 to 15 centimeters of fresh powder. Yoo! Secret! Right, it's time to blow this popsicle stand. Yesterday it was probably looking like 3 hours to get out of here. Can probably add an hour or so now that, well, now I don't know where the path is. So right on, let's get rolling. I've been craving some snow. This is just a winter wonderland. It's amazing, it's so beautiful. I'm just expecting at any moment, yeah, a snow leopard to just appear out of a cave up there or something. I'm just by myself in this. This is amazing. You've really got to be on your game as well. Constantly scanning, looking ahead, seeing if there's any sign of a track. You can kind of see now, it's as though the track melts quicker, or the snow didn't land there for whatever reason, than anywhere else. And it'll disappear, and then you'll just be walking across just snowy landscapes, and then all of a sudden, like this, a little track will appear, and it's just this tiny little win that all of a sudden, it's a hard feeling to describe. All of a sudden you get this little rush of euphoria that you're on the right track, you're doing the right thing, and then it'll disappear again, and you'll carry on. There'll be a little bit of doubt start setting in. Am I on the right side? Am I doing the right thing? Look at these little bird tracks. I was following, if you guys remember from yesterday, I swear that was my guardian wolf or fox or whatever it was. It led the entire way up the pass, the correct track. I followed my little spirit wolf, and then just further down here there's some more tracks of whatever it is, my spirit wolf. So I really feel like nature's looking after me. It's giving me fresh powder. It's giving me a spirit wolf. I've got to get across this river. I don't see a way. I'm really hesitant to jump onto that rock. If I fall in there, I'm not going to die, but well, this is just all glacial melt. I don't want to slip. Oh, that's actually deep. Oh shit. I don't like this. Oh, I've made a mistake. I'm stuck between two rocks. Oh shit. Oh, shit, I made it. Oh, bells. One more. Oh, we're doing this. Oh, the giraffe. Oh, look. There's my spirit wolf. I'm coming, spirit wolf. Makes you wonder, has anybody stood on the very top of that pyramid there? Look at them. They're like, I'll call them, oh, the Four Sisters. There's kind of a fifth one there, but she's like left out. Has anyone gone up there? Check it out, guys. So I've still got a ways to go along this rocky edge here. There's another beautiful valley up here, but I can see what looks like, to all intents and purposes, a road. So it's a long way down. It's still probably another hour or so. It's one of those kind of deceptively frustrating things where you can see it and it just never gets any closer. But yeah, we're on our way. Still following my spirit wolf. Ooh, this is actually very slippery. Not there yet. Just trying to kick some steps in. I don't want to end up down there. So guys, I just checked on my map, and this road is the main road through to the Spitty Valley, which they're not running buses on, which is kind of why one of the reasons I walked over the mountain was to get here with the hope of hitchhiking. But I had in my mind, I don't know, maybe more of a road than that. So that would have been that's Chattroo, and Chattroo is the little village that, well, potentially I was going to try to head to last night. Pretty happy I didn't, but I've already seen there's a couple of like trucks or cars. There's 3 of them, so I better get down there because it takes quite a long time to get into the Spitty Valley. Righto, down the bottom, I really boosted it from up there. That's a long way. God, my quads were burning, but I was just sort of trying to half jog down the mountain. I saw another car go past, and I know that from Manali most of the cars leave early in the morning and they stop sort of going because it'll be too late. They can't, there's a big pass they have to go over about 5,500 meters or something, so I like to hit that early. So I just have it in my mind, and I need to shake it, that I'm gonna miss a ride. Worst case scenario is a camp down here, and try to catch one tomorrow morning. It's not too bad a plan, but I'm really hoping to I'm really hoping to have a hot shower tonight. This is a hurdle I didn't foresee. I need to get across that river. There's no way I'm swimming in that. I need to get across this. Let's get across this one. Come back up from down there, and I found a little, well, a little pass as a bridge. Oh, I'm knackered. Oh hell. Oh shit. Holy. Okay. That's one river dealt with. Hey! There's a bus! What if the buses are running now? Fuck, I need to get across that river. Oh man. The track is still covered by this the snow drift that's here. And that's all massively undercut from the water. It's pretty thick snow. I don't have crampons and ice pick and stuff. The sun is hitting it. It's going to make that really slippery. Oh man, I don't want to end up in that. God, why can't I just build a bridge here, man? Far out. Alright, there's no way about it unless I go back up over the pass or call in a helicopter. That looks insane. One slip. It. Man, I don't know what to. I don't know my options. I don't have options. One step. 2 steps. This is it. Slow, slow, slow. Come on, Jakey. It doesn't matter if it takes you the rest of the day. Come on, Jakey. Whoa. I got a rock here. Yes. I got a little wallow to rest in. There's a long way to go. I'm not even halfway across. And my legs are really starting to fatigue. So close, so far. Still maybe 20 meters. My arms hang on to these poles. My toes are kicking this hard, really compacted snow. It's got like a bit of an ice layer. But I just gotta stay focused. One slip of concentration, one bad foothold. Last metre and a half. I couldn't come too soon. Oh God. Oh God. Oh, my throat. Oh shit. Oh, far out. Oh, I did it. You know, when you're on a hike and all the beauty and the effort and all of the amazing parts of it are kind of behind you, and then you've got like a 2k boulder and rock walk, and you're just like, come on, can I just be, I'm ready to sit down and relax somewhere. I'm ready for it to be over right now. This is it, guys, the bridge. This is the end of the trek. And man, I'm really super proud of myself for that. From going from down in Manali, where the tour operator said, yeah, piece of piss, it's easy, don't even bother taking food, there'll be people on the whole track, you don't need crampons, you don't need ice pick, you don't need any of that stuff. Well, this bridge is a bit dodgy. So then your hopes are like, oh yeah, there'll be people the whole way, they'll be sharing food and laughing. Then on day one, come across people that are heading down and going, it can't be done, it's too much snow. And I passed guys that had ice picks. And well, let's just have a little look at these prayer flags for a moment. And I'll finish my monologue a little bit after. I think I've come just in time. So then you're all full of so much doubt. If they can't do it, chance have I got? There's a glimmer of hope by the French couple, and the fact that apparently 2 French people did it ahead of me. I didn't really see, I have no idea how they got across that snowfall there. But anyway, we did it. We did it. I was so proud, so happy. That's like one of the best confidence builders there is, that you can achieve so much. And it's not about, you look at the mountain and you go, you can't climb that, you can't go up there. It's all about breaking it down into little steps, you know, like coming up the pass, it was just 5 to 10 steps at a time. Rest, just conquer a little bit at a time, chip away at it. That snowfall over there, again, that was scary. That was probably the scariest part of it. And it was just making sure each pole had its place, each foot had a good hold, and I was only kicking like 3 steps and resting, 3 steps and resting, because no one can get you across those problems. You can't just go, oh, I'll deal with that issue tomorrow. You have to deal with it. So and we dealt with it. Anyway guys, I'm in Chatcheru. Looks like a storm's rolling in, and I'm gonna see if anyone does coffee, maybe some warm food, and see whether or not I can get to Spitty Valley. Alright, stay tuned for the next episode. We see how we go getting to Spitty. Thanks for coming along, guys.